Nothing ruins a relaxing summer evening quite like a swarm of buzzing mosquitoes. These pesky insects not only cause irritating bites but can also carry diseases. Fortunately, nature offers an effective and beautiful solution: mosquito-repelling plants. Many common plants contain natural oils and compounds that keep mosquitoes at bay. Here are the top 15 plants that naturally repel mosquitoes and how to use them to your advantage. Number 1. Citronella. Citronella is perhaps the most famous plant for repelling mosquitoes. It contains citronellal, a powerful natural oil that masks scents mosquitoes are attracted to. While citronella candles are popular, the plant itself is even more effective when grown in gardens or pots. The tall, grassy leaves release their scent when crushed or brushed against. Number 2. Lavender. Lavender not only looks and smells wonderful, but it also deters mosquitoes. The strong floral scent of lavender oil is unbearable for these insects. Planting lavender along walkways or in pots around patios can keep mosquitoes away. You can also crush the flowers to release even more of their oils. Number 3. Marigold. Marigolds are bright, cheerful flowers that naturally contain pyrethrum. Pyrethrum is an ingredient used in many insect repellents and sprays. Growing marigolds near windows, doors, and seating areas acts as a barrier to mosquitoes. They are also effective in vegetable gardens to protect crops from various pests. Number 4. Basil. Basil is not only a staple in the kitchen but also a natural mosquito repellent. The strong scent of its leaves confuses mosquitoes and deters them from hanging around. Lemon basil and cinnamon basil are especially powerful. Keeping pots of basil around outdoor dining spaces provides protection and flavor for your meals. Number 5. Lemon balm. Lemon balm belongs to the mint family and carries a fresh citrus scent. Its aroma is effective in deterring mosquitoes and is easy to grow in almost any garden. This fast-growing herb can also be crushed and rubbed on the skin for a mild, natural repellent. However, it can spread aggressively, so containers are recommended. Number 6. Catnip. Catnip contains nipetolactone, a compound found to be even more effective than DEET in some studies. While your cat might go crazy for it, mosquitoes will steer clear. You can grow catnip in the garden or in pots, but be prepared for feline visitors. It's also easy to dry and use in homemade mosquito repellent sachets. Number 7. Peppermint. Peppermint's sharp, refreshing scent doesn't appeal to mosquitoes at all. The plant thrives in containers and spreads quickly in soil, so it's best kept potted. Crushed peppermint leaves can be rubbed directly on the skin for a quick repellent effect. It also soothes itchy bites thanks to its cooling menthol. Number 8. Rosemary. This woody herb is popular for cooking, but it also has natural oils that repel mosquitoes. Rosemary's strong scent wards off various bugs, including mosquitoes and flies. You can grow it in your garden or burn a few sprigs in a fire pit to create a fragrant shield of smoke. The smoke method works great during evening barbecues. Number 9. Garlic. Garlic plants naturally repel mosquitoes due to their strong sulfur compounds. Growing garlic around your garden borders helps protect nearby plants and your outdoor spaces. Some people even crush garlic cloves and mix them with water to create a homemade mosquito spray. However, the strong smell may not be pleasant for everyone. Number 10. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus, especially lemon eucalyptus, produces an oil known for its mosquito-repelling properties. The plant can be grown in containers or as a tree in warmer climates. Its oil is used in many commercial bug sprays. Crushing the leaves releases even more of its potent aroma. Number 11. Sage. Sage is another culinary herb with mosquito-repelling benefits. When burned, sage releases a fragrant smoke that keeps mosquitoes and other insects away. Adding sage to your fire pit or outdoor fire source enhances the experience and adds a protective barrier. Its fresh leaves also help when crushed and applied to skin. Number 12. Geranium, scented varieties. Scented geraniums, particularly those with lemon or rose scents, are effective against mosquitoes. These ornamental plants are lovely in hanging baskets or garden beds. They emit a strong aroma that mosquitoes dislike. They're a favorite among gardeners for both beauty and functionality. Number 13. Thyme. Thyme, especially lemon thyme, releases oils that mosquitoes find offensive. It grows well in dry, sunny areas and adds flavor to your food while repelling pests. You can burn thyme leaves like sage to create a repelling smoke. Crushed leaves also make an effective topical treatment. Number 14. Bee Balm. Bee balm, also known as Monarda, attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies but repels mosquitoes. It has a lovely scent and produces vibrant flowers. Bee balm grows best in full sun and moist soil. It's perfect for borders and pollinator-friendly gardens. Number 15. Pennyroyal. Pennyroyal is a lesser-known member of the mint family with powerful mosquito-repelling properties. Its strong aroma deters not only mosquitoes but also ants and fleas. However, this plant is toxic if ingested, so it should be used with caution. It's best planted where children and pets won't come into direct contact with it. While each of these plants has natural mosquito-repelling abilities, using them strategically can increase their effectiveness. For best results, plant them in pots or garden beds near outdoor seating areas. Grouping several types together creates a stronger barrier against bugs. Crushing or bruising the leaves helps release their oils into the air. Some of these plants, like basil and rosemary, double as herbs for cooking, giving you practical benefits too. Others, like lavender and marigold, add color and scent to your garden while fighting off pests. If you want a stronger effect, consider combining the plants with citronella candles or essential oil sprays made from these herbs. It's also important to note that standing water is a major breeding ground for mosquitoes. Remove or regularly empty bird baths, buckets, and clogged gutters. While these plants can repel mosquitoes, they won't eliminate them entirely if there's a habitat for breeding nearby. Proper garden maintenance works hand in hand with plant-based protection. For extra protection, you can create your own mosquito-repelling potpourri by drying leaves from lavender, peppermint, and lemon balm. Use sachets indoors or near open windows. You can also create your own spray by steeping crushed herbs in boiling water, straining it, and storing it in a spray bottle. These natural remedies are safe, eco-friendly, and often more pleasant than chemical options. Plus, they offer the added bonus of beautifying your space. Growing these plants is a fun and effective way to enjoy the outdoors without the constant buzzing and biting of mosquitoes. Whether you're designing a backyard haven or a small balcony retreat, including some of these plants can make a noticeable difference. From the bold colors of marigolds to the soothing scent of lavender, your mosquito-repelling garden can be both functional and beautiful. Use these natural defenses to your advantage and reclaim your outdoor space from annoying pests. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.